Okay, we're back here with our project. So we have tightened the bolts. Masikip na siya. Balik na natin. Ayan. Para pwede na tayo magkarga ng oil. Ayun. Ito po yung oil na nakuha natin sa kanya. Ayan. Medyo dark na rin. So ito yung mga gagamit nating oil. Ayan, high mileage. And because we need around 5.6 liters of oil para sa engine na to. Okay, be right back. Okay. This is the engine filter that we're gonna use. From XG 11665. That's the model number. Okay. Niluwagan na natin to kanina. So yun. That's the engine filter. And papalitan pa natin yung o-ring na yan. We will replace that o-ring later. Okay. Ilan tayo ng basahan para hindi tayo magkalat. Lain nyo lang. Yun. Oh, actually hindi pa siya ganun kaitim eh. Okay pa eh oh. Okay. Yun, may o-ring din siya sa dulo. So okay. Oops, kunin lang natin yung bagong filter. Okay, so ito po yung bagong filter in comparison po doon sa luma. Yung isa sobrang dumi, pero pareho sila. Okay, kabit lang po natin and we will replace the o-ring. Okay, we will now put the new filter. That's the o-ring there. Okay. Ayan. Ito, papalitan na rin natin yung o-ring nya. Ayan, bago na yan. So, bayahan muna. Make sure na dapat siya ng mabuti. Ayan o. Okay. Then we will torque it to 25 Newton meter. And I'm gonna get my tool. Ayun, okay na. Sikip na siya. Okay. Huwag natin sikip mo masyado kasi plastic po yan. At mababasag po yan pag sumobrang sikip. Okay, lagyan na tayo ng langis. Okay, so this is 5 liters of oil. Kailangan natin 5.6. So ilalagay ito natin lahat. Okay. Okay. So we filled up with oil already. Ayan. Tapos dinagdagan na rin natin ng 0.6 liters. So we need to measure. Just need to measure the level. Okay. Yeah. Medyo mahirap lang pag sa isang kamay. Hindi siya mag-focus pero nasa safe mark na tayo. Can't focus. Yan. Magalaw kasi. Nasa safe mark na. So, we have to run the engine para malaman natin kung okay na. We have to run the engine for a minute or two. Pero, magpapalit muna tayo ng air filter. Okay? So, to remove the air filter inside this, para mapalitan natin, kailangan natin tanggalin itong mga screw na to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Para maangat natin siya at mapalitan yung filter. Okay? Okay, that is the air filter inside. Kunin natin yan, tapos palitan natin ng isa. In comparison sa old tsaka sa new, ito yung old one. Kung titignan nyo, ang dumi, di ba? Yan. Ngayon, ito yung bago. Malinis na malinis yan. So, kabit na po natin. Okay. Okay, so ilalagay na natin itong bagong filter. Okay. Yan lang, just like that. Okay. And tighten those 4 screws. Okay. Okay. Just need to start the engine for a few minutes. Okay, start. I'm gonna go down to check some leaks. Baba tayo para ma-check kung may leak. Okay. Good. No leaking from here. Okay. Okay, we just added oil. Pinaandar namin siya kanina for about 2 minutes. Tapos naka-rest na rin for about 5 minutes. So, check natin yung oil level. Nasa muna natin. Nasa ulit yung dipstick. Okay. Check. Ayun. Nag-focus ba? Nasa safe level na siya. So half ng safe level. So,
I can't make it focus. Basta, nasa safe.
Safe.
Nasa safe siya.
Ano?
Wait. Yeah, there. Safe.
Yeah,
nasa
safe.
Yeah.
Safe siya, di ba? Okay na yan. Okay. So we will put this back. Okay. Balik lang natin yung engine cover. Yun. Okay. Done. Done po tayo sa ating project for today. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and
Like.
and click the notification bell for you to be updated on the next videos. Bye!